Why people can't get what they want even after watching hundreds of motivational videos and reading inspirational stories? The simple answer is people don't have a game plan for their own life. They don't have the vision. An inspirational story can motivate you, encourage you, but it can never give you a personalized action plan. Due to this lack of action plan, you cannot achieve anything in your life because that story was someone else's story. They achieved their own success through different personalized strategies and action plans. You lack all those things. You lack the plan, you lack the vision, and you lack the necessary support. In order to have a long term plan, you have to work on yourself. You have to dig into your own potential. For this to happen, you have to sit with yourself first. You have to see the potential in you first so that the world can also see it. The world can also admire it. The problem is we can't see our own potential. We can't admire our own potential. So that's why we get ignored by the world as well. After seeing the good and bad side of yourself, you have to work with someone who can transform all those weaknesses into the strengths so that you can achieve the best you deserve in your own life. Once again, a personalized action plan is really important. An inspiration will motivate you, encourage you for a day, but for the long term consistency, you must have a game plan so that you can work on a milestone every day, every week, and every month. And then you will achieve the best in upcoming years. If you want my support and guidance as your coach, you can book my services on my website. If you want to see more content like this, subscribe to my channel and follow me on different social media platforms. Thank you so much.